Use the 10 by 10 grid to express the fraction 11 out of 20 as a percent. So each of these rows is 10. So out of 2 rows for 20, I need to shade in 11. So 10, 11. So out of this set of 20, I have shaded in 11. Out of the next set of 20, I need to shade in 11. And then out of the next set of 20, I shade in 11. And I keep going until I filled in all of the sets of 20. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 shaded in out of 100. So 11 out of 20 is the same as 55 shaded in out of 100. And as a percent, that would be 55%. Number 2 says use a tape diagram to relate the fraction 11/20ths to a percent. So on this one, if I were to count by 20s, I'd have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. But I only have 11 out of that 20. So I'd have 22 out of 40, 44 out of 60, 33 out of 60, 44 out of 80, and 55 out of 100. So this would be my percent. Three says, how are the diagrams related? Both diagrams show that 11 out of 20 is equal to 55 out of 100, or 55%. What decimal is also related to that fraction? Remember, when we have something out of 100, the value goes in the hundredths place. 5 says, which diagram is the most helpful for converting the fraction to the decimal? I personally prefer the 10 by 10 grid. So that's what I'm going to write here. And I like it because it is easier to see how many are shaded out of 100. If you prefer the tape diagram or double number line method, write that and then tell me why you prefer this one. It's an opinion question, so you get to choose whichever method you prefer them best, and then just tell me why.